Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. On the ETH chart, we've seen a reaction to that micro support area. I did add that yesterday. I think even after the last video, communicated that already on Discord. It's just the support area for the B wave pullback in a possibly larger B wave as per the yellow scenario. I would not rely on it. It's not a great setup because the initial rally from the 6th of September low is clearly just very messy, and it's just a 3-wave move up, so it all looks corrective. What I did tell you yesterday was that we could still watch for a larger B wave, and we have a resistance area which is defined between 2466 and 2664, and wave B in yellow, or generally this B wave here, we could have already topped, right? But it just does look a little bit unfinished, even though that B wave did already reach the 50% retracement, as you can see, at 2466. So it already reached the resistance area. That means the B wave itself, it is already actually strong enough to be, let's say, a viable B wave. Then we can call it already wave B. It's, you know, as I said, it's done what it needs to do. It doesn't necessarily need to go any higher, that B wave. Even though I would prefer it would look clearer. Okay, so in that case, I would be watching for the start of wave C of B in this area. So we've now reached a support area. The idea is that the structure was circle A to the upside of wave B. This A wave topped around the 10th of September. Then this is a B wave pullback, which might even form another low. Well, we have to see, but support would be here around the trend line, then 2203 to 2270 USD. And then from there, a C wave rally could start, but there's absolutely no evidence at this stage that such a rally has started. This is, however, still what I would find the best looking pattern here, because it does look incomplete to the upside, somewhat incomplete here. And then from there, wave B obviously should stay below 2664. And then we can watch for the start potentially of wave C of 5 or 4 to the downside. It is possible that this B wave already formed the top. And in this case, 2466 marked the top of wave B. In this case, this would be wave B in blue. It's just a different color, just to highlight, it's a different, slightly different scenario. But in both of these scenarios, wave C should send us down lower towards 1800. But it's important that the B wave in yellow or blue, doesn't matter, it's the same, that it stays below 2664. A break above that level would already unlock higher prices, maybe at least make us consider that we could be in the white scenario, which, however, is not really bullish until we fill in all 5 waves to, let's say, the mid $3,000 region. So it's possible, obviously, that we're following this white wave count. This is a possibility I'm tracking for Bitcoin as well, but it needs to prove itself. Okay, so there is much more work to do. I will not rule that out. But the reaction from any of those lows has really been disappointing, and the ETH BTC chart is just not bullish as well. So Ethereum is underperforming. It is being outperformed by Bitcoin. Whenever Bitcoin drops, Ethereum drops a little bit more. Also, the patterns are a little bit more messy here. So I don't find it a very attractive chart at the moment. Maybe it's going to make a comeback at some point, but it's not doing it at the moment. And the resistances are clearly defined. Let's see if we get a reaction to micro support maybe today or tomorrow. And then we could watch for a rally maybe towards 2546 or 2664. That's the update about Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.